If you've ever struggled with undercooked, mushy, or inconsistent rice, investing in a premium rice cooker can completely change your cooking experience. Today we're reviewing the Zojirushi Nitrogen Monophosphide HCC10XH Induction Heating Rice Cooker, featuring induction heating technology, a 5.5 cup capacity, multiple cooking settings, advanced temperature control, and the premium build quality that Zojirushi is known for. But is this high-end rice cooker really worth the premium price? Let's find out. The Zojirushi Nitrogen Monophosphide HCC10XH is designed for people who cook rice regularly and want restaurant-quality results at home. Unlike basic rice cookers that simply boil water, this model uses induction heating, allowing the entire inner cooking pot to heat evenly for more precise temperature control. It supports a wide variety of rice types, making it suitable for everyday family meals as well as more specialized cooking. Its 5.5 cup uncooked rice capacity is ideal for individuals, couples, and medium-sized families. Let's start with what makes this rice cooker different. The biggest feature is the induction heating system, which directly heats the inner pot rather than relying on a standard bottom heating plate. This allows more even heat distribution throughout the cooking process, producing rice with improved texture and consistency. The cooker includes multiple preset programs for white rice, sushi rice, brown rice, porridge, mixed rice, sweet rice, and more. An advanced microcomputer automatically adjusts cooking time and temperature based on the selected program. Convenience is another major strength of the nitrogen monophosphide HCC10XH. The automatic keep warm and extended keep warm functions help maintain rice freshness for hours without drying it out. A programmable delay timer allows meals to be ready exactly when you need them. The non-stick inner cooking pan simplifies cleaning after each use. Its stainless dark gray finish gives the appliance a premium appearance that fits well in modern kitchens. In everyday use, the Zojirushi consistently produces excellent rice. White rice comes out fluffy and evenly cooked, while brown rice remains tender without becoming overly soft. The induction heating system provides precise temperature control that helps improve texture across different rice varieties. The cooking process is almost entirely automatic, requiring very little attention from the user. For people who eat rice frequently, the difference in consistency and quality compared to basic rice cookers is immediately noticeable. So, is the Zojirushi Nitrogen Monophosphide HCC10XH Induction Heating Rice Cooker worth buying? If rice is a regular part of your meals and you want consistently excellent results, absolutely. The combination of induction heating technology, multiple cooking programs, automatic keep warm, delay timer, and Zojirushi's outstanding reputation for reliability makes this one of the best premium rice cookers available. While it's significantly more expensive than entry-level rice cookers, the improved cooking performance, convenience, and long-term durability make it a worthwhile investment for serious home cooks. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or current discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews of kitchen appliances, cooking gadgets, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.